Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of Gate.io, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges, with a fresh look at its pros and cons for 2025. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more crypto insights. Let's jump right in. First off, Gate.io has really stepped up its game in 2025. One of the biggest pros is its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies. We're talking thousands of tokens and pairs, making it a go-to spot for traders looking for variety and niche altcoins. Another standout feature is the low trading fees, starting as low as 0.2% and dropping with higher volumes, which can save you a ton of money compared to other exchanges. Plus, Gate.io's advanced trading tools, like margin trading and futures, are top-notch, offering professional-level features that cater to both beginners and experts. And let's not forget about security. With enhanced two-factor authentication and regular audits, your assets are in safer hands than ever. But, as with any platform, there are some downsides to consider. On the con side, Gate.io still faces regulatory hurdles in certain regions, which might limit access for users in places like the US or Europe, potentially pushing you to use a VPN, though that's not always advisable. Customer support can be hit or miss. While they have a 24/7 chat, response times aren't always lightning fast, which could frustrate you during critical moments. Additionally, the interface, while improved, might feel overwhelming for absolute beginners due to its complexity. And with the crypto market's volatility, Gate.io's leverage options could amplify losses if you're not careful. Overall, Gate.io is a solid choice for 2025 if you're an active trader seeking low costs and diverse options, but it's not perfect for everyone. Weigh these pros and cons based on your needs, and always do your own research before diving in. If you found this review helpful, drop a like and comment below. What's your favorite crypto exchange? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.